Hi, my name is Ashish, and this is the step 4, wherein we'll create a VPC security group for a private DB instance. For the project that we are working on, create Amazon VPC for use with DB instance. In the previous video, we created a security group for a public web server, and in this video, we'll create a security group to keep the DB instance private. So we am going to create a new security group for private access. So let me just log on to AWS console and take it from there. I'm logged on to my AWS console and like previous, I am under my VPC dashboard. So now I'm going to again go to my security groups, tutorial security group you see. So I'm going to create again. I'm going to click on security group. Now I'm going to name this as tutorial dash DB dash security group. I'm sorry again for the caps. Tutorial tutorial dash DB dash security group. Same way, I'm going to mention the description. Tutorial DB instance security group. In VPC, I'm going to select my tutorial VPC. And under my inbound rule, I'm going to click on add rule. And in here, I'm going to select on MySQL or Aurora. This is the one. Port is 3306. And the source here, the identifier of the tutorial security group that you created previously, right? So in here, I am gonna go to custom here. This is the one you select. So public facing, and from there, they're gonna call to this private DB instance. So the request would come from my web server to my private DB instance, which would be type of MySQL slash Aurora DB. Right, I'm gonna click on create security group. All right, so under here as so this is one part that we created. All right, so this looks good, and in the next video I'm going to create a database subnet group in the next step. So I hope you like this. We are doing this in bits and pieces so that you know what exactly you have to do, and it would make more sense if you also do the same lab in your Amazon account. So if you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.